Welcome back, dear students. Now, in the last session, that is in the last class, I have taught you how to prepare simple way trading account and profit and loss account. In this session, my emphasis is to teach you how to prepare trading account and profit and loss account together. And along with that, I'll show you how to prepare even the balance sheet individually. And then together we'll see how to prepare a complete set of final accounts. So as I told you in the last session also, hope your textbooks are with you. So if you look at the 7th question, page number 271 of your textbook, they are telling us to prepare trading account, profit and loss account. So both together, how we have to prepare. It's very simple. It's very interesting. Focus on the procedure, what I am following, how I am doing. So always, whenever you are asked to prepare trading profit and loss account, we'll use the complete page. Down all the workings will come, and how the workings will come, everything systematically. Now I am going to show you, dear students. So if you see here, I am drafting the account for you all. So dividing the page, I have divided the page into two parts. Then as usual, amount column, inner column, as usual, amount column, inner column. Once this drafting is done, you keep about 10 lines for your trading account and draw one line in middle. Like this thick line you draw. And this helps you to segregate your account. The account which is above the line represents the trading account, and the account which is below the line represents your profit and loss account. Then as usual, debit, credit. Then particulars with your amount, particulars with your amount. Then I told you that how we have to write those 4 items. Those 4 items we'll write and keep. When we'll post them. So we'll go to debit side to opening stock, to purchases. We'll come to credit side, buy, sales, leaving some gap, buy, closing, stock. Structure is ready. Now without any difficulty, you can make the postings. So if you look at the postings here, you can see that they gave you opening stock. You know opening stock goes in the trading account. So we'll go to trading account, write the amount 4,200. Then purchases. Second item is purchase they gave. We know it belongs to trading account. So we'll post in trading account. And the rule I said, purchase should always be recorded in inner column. So we'll record in inner column 7,700. Then they gave you rent. Simply they told rent. Simply when they say rent, it is the rent for office. And it goes to profit and loss account. Where is our profit and loss account? It is below the line here. Below the line. So we'll go to debit side, leave one line gap to rent. That's all. Cut, copy, paste. 650. Followed by sales. Sales, you know, it comes in the trading account, credit side. So we'll fill the sales amount 15,500 in inner column. Then traveling expense. Traveling expense. It's an indirect expense which should be recorded in the profit and loss debit side. So below rent, we'll write to traveling expense. How much are the traveling expense given? 400. Then they gave interest received. received. Interest earned. Received is a income. So profit and loss, credit side. Again, I'll leave one line. By interest received. How much they gave interest received? 800. The next item given to us is clearing charges. Clearing charges are direct expenses here. Clearing charges. So it will go to trading account. So when I go to trading account, I see purchase is lying in inner column. So I'll leave 1 or 2 lines gap. Then I'll post. To clearing charges. How much are the clearing charges given? 400. Like that, items will be randomly given. How you are going to post will give you the correct chronological order of that. Then closing stock. Trading account, credit side, closing stock 4,000. Then salaries. Salaries belongs to profit and loss. So to salaries 1200. Followed by wages. Wages is a direct expense. So it will go to trading account. To wages 750. Then we are given with purchase return. What is the rule of purchase return? It should be subtracted from purchases. So we'll go to trading account, purchase, below that minus purchase return. And the amount of purchase return is 200. We'll draw one line. We'll see the difference, 7,500. Then discount allowed. Discount allowed goes to profit and loss account. So to discount allowed 525. Then sales return. We know it should be subtracted from sales. So we'll go to trading account, credit side by minus sales return 300. Again one line, 15,200. Then customs duty. Customs duty is a direct expense. So to custom duty 600. Then they gave trade expense. I told you the query of trade expense. Either way we can take. So here we'll take in profit and loss account. No sir, I'll take in trading account. You can take. But the rule is what? If trade expense are simply given, then we can take in trading account. But if they give you general expense along with the trade expense, then the trade expense will be taken in trading account and general expense in profit and loss account. Now what should I do, sir? Choice is yours here. Nothing to worry. You can take trade expense in trading account or profit and loss. I'll take in profit and loss. So to trade expense. How much are the trade expense? 700. Like that, I have taken. All the items are posted. Now, we have to do the working notes. Working notes. First, we'll do the trading account. We'll get answer of trading account. Then we'll do profit and loss account. So here you can see I'm doing the working for trading account. As usual, debit figures I'll write 4,200, 7,500, 400, 750, 600, 0, 5, 13 plus 4, 17, 17, 22, 24, 4 plus 2, 6, 13. 13,450 I got the debit total. Now I'll do credit total. What are the credit figures I have? I have credit 15,200 and 4,000. So 19,200. Again credit is more. Credit 19,200 minus debit 13,450. 0, 5, 11 minus 4, 7, 8 minus 3, 5. This is the gross profit. 5,750 rupees gross profit we got. Let us check again. 0, 5. 11 minus 4, 7. 8 minus 3, 5. Check the totals once again. 0, 5, then 6 plus 3, 7, 13, 17, 22, 24, 4, 2 carried, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 13, 450, 19,200. 5,750 is the gross profit. Now, how this gross profit is posted? So, first I'll go to the trading account to gross profit transferred to profit and loss. How much? 5,750. Immediately we'll come to profit and loss and we'll write by gross profit brought down 5,750. And once this is done, we can close of trading account with the high total, and high total is 19,200. 19,200. Now, second working. That is for which account? Profit and loss account. Again, you can see here, I am writing profit and loss. As usual, debit figures. 650, 400, 1200, 525, 700. So 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 13, 14, 18, 24. So 3,475 I got. Now I'll write the credit figures. If you see credit 5,750 and 800. So 0, 5, 7, 7, 15, 14 plus 115, 6. 6,550 we got the credit total. Again, debit is less, credit is more. So credit 6,550 minus debit 3,475. So 10 minus 5, 5. Here we have 14. 14 minus 7, 7. Here we have 4. 4 minus 4, 0. 6 minus 3, 3. This is net profit. 3,075. It's not 2,975. So net profit. This net profit we are going to post it. Where we are going to post? We'll post in the profit and loss debit side. So to net profit transferred to profit and loss 3,075. This is transferred to capital 3,075. Now we'll close the account. Both the sides 6,550, 6,550. So like this, together we can do trading profit and loss account. So the two parts we have completed with problem. Hope you all have understood. Again, I am revising with you all. Whenever they ask you to prepare trading account, profit and loss account, you will take like this full page. Depending on the information, since the information was less here, we have used half page, remaining we have used for working. So first we'll do the drafting, trading account, profit and loss account. Then 4 items, keep in mind, I am highlighting those items for you with red pen. So first, opening stock, purchase, sales, closing stock. These 4 items will be posted in this position only. And once the structure is ready, divide into 2 parts. Trading account can be half page, imagine. Remaining half page will use for profit and loss account. Then randomly, as you get the item, start posting. Start posting and get the answer. Trading account, profit and loss account. Now, having discussed this, how to prepare trading account, profit and loss account, I am going to show you how to prepare balance sheet now. Now, how to prepare balance sheet. If you look on page number 273, and problem number 11, if you see, they're asking us to prepare balance sheet. How we are going to prepare balance sheet? Then, if you are asked to prepare the balance sheet, here itself I am showing you the structure, how to prepare the balance sheet. So, solution number 11. Again, we'll give the format, balance sheet of Yadagiri. They told Yadagiri, this is important, as at, please focus on this word, as at, the date is 31 December 2016. Then the format, maybe about 7, 8, 10 lines will be sufficient here. Dividing the page into two parts. Amount column, inner column. Amount column, inner column. Then keep in mind, never write debit, credit anywhere. This is a statement. So, on your left hand side, you will write liabilities, rupees. Here you will write assets and rupees. Now, what we'll do? We'll go to liability side. Always first item will write capital. Then similarly, we'll come to balance sheet asset side. Somewhere in the center, we'll write closing stock. Now you all will be thinking, why sir has written capital and closing stock? I told you order of liquidity, order of permanence. We are following order of permanence here. So, it will be very easy if we write and keep these items like this. It represents that closing stock. Whatever gap is there above the closing stock, this is meant for writing the fixed assets. And below closing stock, we'll write all current assets. Like that, opposite to closing stock on the liability side, if you see, from down we'll write all current liabilities. And here capital, which is long term or the fixed liability you can post easily. There won't be any tension only. Now, if you see the items what they have given, again they will be randomly given, only we have to post them. How we are going to post them? Let us see. Capital, machinery, creditors, loan, debtors, bank overdraft, bills payable, bills receivable, furniture, net profit, closing stock. All are given to us in a random manner. We know the technique, we prepared, and now we are going to post it. First they gave capital. So I'll go to liability side, inner column, I'll write capital amount. Then machinery. Machinery is a fixed asset here. Machinery is a fixed asset. We know fixed assets, they come above closing stock. So, simply asset side, we'll write machinery and the amount is 60,000. Then creditors. Creditors are liabilities. Creditors are liabilities. So, what we can do? Opposite to closing stock, you see, start writing from here. Creditors. Amount 17,500. Then loan. Loan, we know it's a fixed liability type. So above creditors, you can write loan 22,500. Then debtors. Debtors are current assets. So I am writing below stock 34,000. Bank overdraft is a liability. So bank overdraft 24,000. Then bills payable. Bills payable is also a liability. Bills payable, they gave 9,000. Then bills receivable, it is an asset. Bills receivable, be careful. Payable liability, receivable asset. 10,000. Then furniture. Furniture is again a fixed asset. So just below machinery, we can write furniture amount 8,000. Then after that they gave net profit. What is the rule of net profit I taught? It should be added to capital. So add net profit. How much is the net profit given? 12,000. If you remember, I told you in the basic class, net profit will increase your capital. So see how much is the capital now? 47,000. Then they gave closing stock. Closing stock, already we wrote, just will fill the amount. So these are the postings of your assets and liabilities. Marshalling also has come. Sequence of assets, liabilities has come. Without any difficulty, we were able to post. Now we'll do the total. What is the rule? Asset must be equal to liability. So better asset, liability. Working notes. 60,000, 8,000, again 8,000, 34,000 and 10,000. 0, 0, 0. 8, 8, 16, 20. 6 plus 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again I'll do liability side. Hope it tallies. It has to tally. 22, 500, 17, 500, 24,000, 9,000. If you see, you can see that I am maintaining the dignity of writing the decimals. So 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10, carried 1. 7, 8, 9, 10, 17. 17 plus 4, 21, 30. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much, sir? Both are equal. Asset is equal to liability. Always asset must be equal to liability. So we'll go to the assets, liabilities, and 1 lakh 20, 1 lakh 20. You can see like this. When we'll do the next problem, there we'll see together trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet. Like this 3 will do together. So this is about how to prepare trading account, profit and loss account together. Then separately I have shown you balance sheet. Now, few questions. Again, if you see in your textbook, you have 12th question also, where they have asked you to prepare only and only the balance sheet. So you can practice these questions perfectly. Once again, trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet. Dear students, this is a 20 marks question. Please keep in mind, it's not a joke. It is all about scoring and giving you 20 marks. Compulsory question. You are going to get 20 marks question. This was only the base I have taught you. In the next session, I am going to teach you the adjustments. What are the adjustments? In detail, I'll teach. Their effect, I'll teach. Everything in detail we are going to cover. Then, sir, in exam, how we have to solve the problem? If they ask us, I'm telling you, dear students, just think that as is our human body, we can divide into 3 parts. The same way, even your final accounts can be divided into 3 parts. Okay? Till your chest, I can say. Okay? Above your chest also, I can say, you think it is trading account. From your chest till your abdomen, you can say, sir, it is profit and loss account. And your 2 legs, you can assume them to be the liability. Why I am telling like that? It will be easy. Why I said that your 2 legs are like liability? Because we know both the legs will be equal. If they are not equal, then we say there is some defect. Like that, when balance sheet is not tallying, there will be some defect. Again, sir, why you told till the chest it is trading account? Okay, then you know There are some items on your, that is your parts of the body, they are fixed. Can your eyes come on the near your nose? No. Can your nose go near your eyes? No. Like that, eyes, nose, ears, they have their position. Like that, opening stock, purchase, sales and closing stock, they have their position. Whereas in profit and loss account, the second part till abdomen we can call. Then balance sheet, your legs. One is your liability, one is your asset. Like that, simply it's for your understanding, you can keep in mind. Then if you divide into two parts, right hand side, left hand side. Like that, as debit side, credit side you can make and you can focus. But how to learn the profit and loss account? Then in your textbook also, very beautifully they have given the formats. Understanding which item comes where is important. Even in the slides I have shown you which item is coming in which account. Only thing is you have to bahar them. You have to remember them and pick up the item and post it to the concerned place. That's it. When in the next session I'll show you the few more problems, that time you will see how easy it is to do the final accounts. So in the next session, I'm going to discuss with you all about the different adjustments. For your exam, for this year, they gave you only 5 adjustments. But altogether about 12 to 15 adjustments we have. No doubt, we'll discuss all the adjustments, but our focus will be on those 5 adjustments which are likely to come for your exam. Having said this, once again, all the students, please practice this particular basic of final accounts perfectly. And when you come for next session, again keep your textbooks ready and I'll be happy if you can copy these solutions and based on this, if you practice. Having said this, thank you. Have a great day. Have a nice day. God bless you all. We'll meet you in the next session with adjustments. Till that time, thank you all.